rewarding your workforce, celebrating an anniversary, commemorating a big event, wishing someone a happy birthday, marking the happy couple's wedding. The reasons for coming to Cutting Edge Engravers are endless. No matter what your budget, we can create tailor-made gifts and commemorative items to your exact specification. We also provide key cutting and shoe repair services too. For items to treasure with the ultimate personal touch, visit our shop soon or order online from Cutting Edge Engravers.